All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. I know you guys are looking at the title, and I'm sure if you guys are looking at the cryptocurrency markets, you're seeing Chainlink absolutely killing it. So why is Chainlink killing it? Remember, guys, if you guys have been watching my channel over the past, month and a half, we've been giving you guys the Chainlink analysis, and there's been some massive developments out of Chainlink's ecosystem that has really gotten, the price rolling. Of course, the market momentum is also the reason as to why Link is moving, but there's a lot of developments that are happening within the ecosystem that a lot of people, in my opinion, are sleeping on. And now, more and more people want to know, why is Chainlink moving? Oh, we missed out. The opportunity was literally right there, which we will get into right now. So if we're looking at Chainlink's price today, it's up 14.4% on the daily time frame. On the weekly time frame, Chainlink is up 27%, but it gets crazy when we take a look at how much it's up on the monthly time frame. So if we're looking at Chainlink right now today, as of November the 8th, it's currently sitting at $14.85. It's up 14% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 13% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the past 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, $8.3 billion with the 24-hour trading volume also through the roof right now, currently sitting at $1.2 billion. So let me just put this into perspective. Over the past, you could say 3 weeks, we've seen over $4 billion flow into Chainlink. Let me repeat that again. Over the past 2 to 3 weeks, we've seen $4 billion flow into Chainlink. Why is that the case? People are understanding the massive, potential that Chainlink has, especially with the partnerships it's making, which we will get into right now. As always, though, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you guys can see within the Chainlink's ecosystem, several positive developments have contributed to the link's recent performance. So on November 7th, Vodafone, a major European and North African-based telecom company, officially launched its partnership with Japanese Financial Corporation, utilizing Chainlink oracles to facilitate transactions and offer diverse applications, including electric vehicle charging stations and toll roads. The digital platform known as PairPoint enables cards and devices to, interact and trade in the emerging IoT, Internet of Things landscape. PairPoint leverages Vodafone's existing digital assets platform and has full integration with partners such as MasterCard, HSBC, Deloitte, and IBM. Apart from IoT, a broader trend appears to be favoring Chainlink's Oracle solution. RWA tokenization is poised to become mainstream and evidenced by HSBC launch on custody service for regulated securities on November 8th. So a lot of development, you can see. The list goes on. And that is really, causing Chainlink to go insane. And of course, that DeFi announcement, which came out 2 months back, that's also a huge triggering effect that is causing Chainlink to pump up right now. And a lot of big names are paying attention. So now, if we're looking at the Chainlink's price, and if you guys are not familiar, the Grayscale Trust is up about 200% over the past 2 to 3 weeks. But, not a surprise because Chainlink was one of the few charts. Let's go down memory lane first, and then I will give you guys, the closer look. Chainlink is looking like it's back to life. If we're looking at the bigger picture, Chainlink made its all-time high at $53.19 back on May of 2021. And if I were to bring out the measuring tool, and if we were to measure how far we are from, the all-time highs, we're about 72%, dropped in terms of all-time high. And cryptocurrency markets, when they move, they can move very, very fast. But let me take a closer look and show you guys, this significance of this breakout. And if you watched my channel over the course of, even October, you guys know I was talking about why this accumulation zone is extremely important, and if it's able to break out of here, things can start heating up really fast. So you guys can see this for yourself. Pretty much, the price of Chainlink was trading sideways throughout, the crazy fear across the board, you name it. The price pretty much held within this range, and there were two massive resistances. One was at $9.41, and one was at $8.07. And you guys can see that bigger resistance at $9.41. We only retested that resistance 3 different times. Once it was in June of last year, second was August, and third was November of last year, right before the FTX collapse. But pretty much the entire year of 2023, we've never even come close to retesting that until, of course, October, which was last month. And I said this time around, you guys can go watch that video. I said this time around, if it's able to break out of here, guys, FOMO will flow into Chainlink, because guess what? The consolidation phase has officially broken out. Go watch that video. I really want you guys to take 30 seconds out of your time to go watch that video, because look at the importance of that resistance. Once that broke out, if you even bought some Chainlink at this resistance, specifically at $9.36, you are up right now about 60%. You can't make this up. The price of Chainlink is back into the 61.8 Fibonacci, 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And right now, at the rate it's flowing, things look like it wants to touch this $18.22 mark. And that is the main target that I'm eyeing right now for Chainlink. We might see something similar play out like this. We might see the price retest that, but I am expecting a little bit of a rejection. Nothing's going to go up straight forever, but it's really nice to see how this has been performing. And a lot of people are extremely bullish on Chainlink this time around. Some people are projecting Chainlink could even hit over $100 because of course all the developments, everything that Chainlink has going for itself. So great for the Chainlink holders, especially the ones that were accumulating within this range. You guys really deserve this, because no one was paying attention to Chainlink around here. It's no secret at this point. Okay, now let me tell you guys this. If you picked up some Link literally on September the 12th, you are up right now 145%. You can't make this up. And if you picked up some Link on October 10th, guess what? You're up right now about 103%. You can make these gains up. And this is where people's fear, the people that were in extreme fear, that panic sold within the accumulation zone, unfortunately, those are the people that have lost. And the people that, held, had done their due diligence and research and were investing what they could afford to lose, are the real winners. And I still think, yes, Chainlink has more momentum. I think, the overall whales, traders, they will make sure the price of Link pushes up to this, resistance, which I've mentioned at $18.30. Last time we were there was May. And obviously, if it's able to break out, that would be the most best case scenario. But I think this is the target that could be coming in the next few days, especially if Bitcoin is able to close above, the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level in the next half an hour. If that's able to do so, I think we could see more continuation for Link to see more upside. But let me know down below what you guys think, and if you guys want to see more Chainlink updates, and what does excite you the most about Chainlink. That's what I want to know in the comment section. And what do you think Chainlink competes with the best? Let me know down below. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.